If you've ever thought about earning money from home, you're not alone. More and more people are turning to the internet to make a living, and the good news is it's easier than ever. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or replace your 9-to-5 job entirely, there are countless ways to make money online. In this complete guide, we'll walk you through the most reliable, accessible, and profitable methods to start earning right from the comfort of your own home. No complicated skills or large investments needed, just the right mindset and tools. So let's get started. 10. Start a freelance career. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and for good reason. If you have a skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, or something else, you can offer your services to clients all over the world. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it super easy to create a profile and start finding gigs. As you build a reputation, you can increase your rates and start working with higher-paying clients. Plus, freelancing offers flexibility, allowing you to set your own schedule and work from anywhere. Make sure to choose a niche that you're passionate about and focus on developing your expertise in that area. The more specialized you are, the more likely you are to attract clients who are willing to pay for your expertise. Start an e-commerce store. Running an e-commerce store can be a very lucrative way to make money online. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and eBay make it easy to set up an online store, even if you've never done it before. You can sell physical products, digital goods, or even dropship products, where you don't handle inventory directly. If you have a creative side, selling handmade goods or custom products can be a fun and profitable way to earn. E-commerce requires some upfront work in terms of setting up your store and figuring out the best way to market your products. But once your store is live, it can generate a steady stream of income. Start with a niche product that you're passionate about. Research your target audience, learn how to create effective marketing campaigns, and be patient. E-commerce is a long-term game, but the rewards can be huge. 8. Become a content creator. Content creation is not just for influencers. It can be a profitable career if done right. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer huge earning potential through ad revenue, brand sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. To make money online through content creation, you need to focus on building an audience by creating engaging, high-quality content that people want to watch and share. Once you've grown a following, there are several ways to monetize your content. You can sell products, promote affiliate links, or work with brands as an influencer. It may take some time to get started, but once you build a loyal community, you can turn your passion into a full-time career. Pick a niche that excites you, whether it's gaming, cooking, tech, or travel. Consistency is key. Keep posting regularly and engaging with your audience to grow your reach. 7. Participate in online surveys and market research. While online surveys may not make you rich, they can be a simple and quick way to make extra cash in your spare time. Many companies pay for consumer opinions, and you can sign up for survey sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Pinecone Research to start earning. These sites reward you with gift cards or cash for completing surveys, watching videos, and testing products. It's a low-effort way to make some extra money when you're not busy with other projects. Just be cautious and avoid scams. Stick to well-known survey platforms that have good reviews. Don't expect to make big bucks from surveys, but it's a great way to start earning with minimal time investment. 6. Teach or tutor online. If you have knowledge in a particular subject, you can share it by teaching or tutoring students online. Websites like VIPKid, italki, and Teachable allow you to create courses or teach others one-on-one. If you're fluent in another language or have expertise in a subject like math, science, or English, tutoring online is a great way to help others while earning money from home. Teaching online can be a steady income stream, and the best part is that you get to help others succeed. You can work on your own schedule and even set your own rates once you've built a client base. Be patient and passionate about the subject you teach. High-quality, engaging lessons will attract repeat clients, leading to a consistent income. Start a blog or website. If you enjoy writing, starting a blog can be a fun and profitable way to make money online. Blogs allow you to share your thoughts, ideas, and expertise on a wide range of topics. Once you gain a following, you can monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. Starting a blog takes time, but with dedication and quality content, you can eventually turn it into a passive income stream. It's a long-term strategy, but it's one of the most rewarding if you're willing to put in the effort. Focus on a niche topic that has a demand but isn't oversaturated. Research SEO, search engine optimization, to drive traffic to your blog and increase your chances of earning. 4. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and most profitable ways to earn money online without creating your own product. The basic idea is simple. You promote products or services from other companies, and when someone buys through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. You can promote products through your blog, YouTube channel, social media, or email marketing. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. The more people you reach, the more commissions you can make. Choose products or services that align with your audience's interests and needs. Authenticity is key. Promote things you genuinely believe in to build trust with your followers. 3. Sell your photos or designs. If you're into photography or graphic design, you can sell your work on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Etsy. Companies and individuals are always looking for high-quality images, and you can earn money by uploading your photos and designs. This is a great way to turn your creative hobby into a profitable side hustle. You can make money each time someone purchases your work, and over time, you can build a portfolio that earns passive income. Take time to create high-quality, unique content. Research trends in photography or design to create work that's in demand. 2. Offer virtual assistant services. Many businesses, especially small startups, need help with administrative tasks but can't afford a full-time employee. That's where virtual assistants, VAs, come in. As a VA, you can handle tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling social media, and more. All of this can be done remotely from the comfort of your home. The demand for virtual assistants is growing rapidly, and with the right skills, you can land high-paying clients. Start by offering services on freelance websites or through your own website to attract potential clients. Be organized, communicative, and efficient. Offer a range of services to appeal to a wider client base. 1. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. While investing is a long-term strategy, it's one of the best ways to grow your wealth from home. The stock market and cryptocurrency offer opportunities to invest in companies and digital currencies that could potentially make you significant returns. You can start investing with as little as $50 or $100, but keep in mind that there is risk involved. Educate yourself before you start, and consider using apps like Robinhood or Coinbase to begin investing in stocks or crypto. Only invest money you can afford to lose and start small. Diversifying your investments is key to reducing risk. As you can see, there are countless ways to make money online from home in 2025. Whether you're looking to replace your full-time job or just earn a bit of extra cash on the side, there's a method out there that suits your skills and interests. The most important thing is to start. Choose something you're passionate about and put in the effort. The internet has made earning money easier than ever, but it requires commitment, consistency, and patience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your journey to earning from home.